Kate from Inkstampshare.ink. I've got some exciting news to share with you. We are going to be getting, during the month of May, a paper pumpkin kit. And I am really excited about it. Some of you may know that people in North America and Canada can already get a monthly subscription to Paper Pumpkin. And we have been asking Stampin' Up! For a long time if we could have Paper Pumpkin. And they listened. And we are, for the month of May, going to be able to get our very first Paper Pumpkin kit. And who knows, if it goes well, maybe we'll get more in the future. We've got a little chance to play with make one of the cards at our onstage demonstrator convention last month. So I'll show you that. How gorgeous is that? I love it. This is the stamp. And the cards come in a kit, and you get these gorgeous cards when you get the envelopes. How beautiful are they? They're lovely. I really, really love it. And I've always wanted Paper Pumpkin, so I'm pretty super excited. Right, whilst I'm on here telling you about it, I'm going to tell you what you get in the kit. It's pretty impressive. It's a spring themed kit, and it's designed by Shelley Gardner, who is the founder of Stampin' Up! And let's have a look at what you get in it. I've got it all written down here. So you get an exclusive stamp set that's not available anywhere else. You get a classic stamping ink spot from the classic ink collection, so you don't need any other materials. And you get all the paper and crafting materials to create 12 cards. So you get 3 cards of 4 unique designs with coordinating envelopes, adhesives and embellishments for all of them. And the only thing that you need to add is an acrylic block for your stamps, which they have left out to keep the price point low. The price is actually just £20 before postage and packing. And I can't wait. It's going to be gorgeous. It's going to be lovely. It's gorgeous. So, yeah, can you tell I'm a little bit excited about Paper Pumpkin? So I'm really hoping that we get it again. But that we got to play with this. The thing about Paper Pumpkin is that they don't release the details of each kit beforehand. They like to keep the anticipation and the excitement for when you get your kit. But you can find it on, you can find other ones from past all over YouTube and places, so you get an idea. They're absolutely gorgeous. There's also a short video about it that I'll post a link for that down below from Shelley Gardner, all about the kit. So you can see a little bit more about it, and you'll be able to see all about it over on my blog at inkstampshare.ink, so do pop over there. I'm taking orders for this kit because we have been warned, because we've never had it before. Everyone's very excited that it's going to sell out pretty quickly. So I'm taking orders. I've got a nice little list so far. So if you would like me to order you one, do get in contact with me so I can add you to my list, because as soon as this becomes available, I should be putting a big order in. So that's the Hugs for You card from Shelley in the Paper Pumpkin kit. Excitingly, it coordinates with the stamp set that we've got coming up in the new annual catalogue that's coming out in June, I think it's called Free as a Bird and the Bird Ballad Suite. Lots of people have had it on their pre-order. There's lots of cards going around on YouTube and Pinterest already made with it. We made one on stage, and it's stunning. Look at these papers. There's brand new lace ribbon. The world needs more of you. That's a nice sentiment from it. And this bird branch is just gorgeous. So I haven't yet got this one in my pre-order, but I will be, and it coordinates with that. So if at a later date you want to play more with your Hugs from Shelley kit and adapt it and change it up, perfect, isn't it? So I hope you like seeing this little sneak preview of the Hugs from Shelley kit. And if you would like one, do get in contact with me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I like to bring you all the news that's coming from Stampin' Up! As well as all my craft videos too. Don't forget to click the little bell down below for notifications of future videos, and happy crafting!